Being a first-time dad can have you feeling overwhelmed and anxious. So in this video, I'll talk about how to navigate fatherhood with ease and how having a strong support system helps a lot. All right, what's up, yo? My name is Wendell, and on this channel, I'll talk about all things family and fatherhood related and highlight what that journey has been like for me with the hopes that you can learn something from it. And today I want to talk about one of the most exciting but also nerve-wracking moments in a man's life, which is becoming a dad, right? As a first-time dad, you probably have a lot of questions and things that you're worried about, right? But let me tell you this, no matter how much you prepare, you'll never be ready, right? I know that's kind of scary to think about, but it's normal to feel overwhelmed and anxious about all the what ifs and the unknowns that come with having a baby. But the truth is, no matter how much you prepare, you'll never fully understand what it's like until you're actually holding your baby in your arms, right? And that's cool. In fact, that's what makes part of it exciting, you know? I think the best way to prepare for fatherhood is to embrace all of the unknowns and just be open to the entire journey, right? Sure, you can read all of the parenting books, take all the classes, get all the coolest gear, right? But the reality is every baby is different and every experience is different, but that's the beauty of it. So my advice to you is just relax, take a deep breath, and trust in yourself. You're gonna make mistakes, you're gonna have sleepless nights. That's all a part of the process. But in the end, it's all gonna be worth it. There's gonna be moments where you feel like you can't handle it or you feel like it's too much and you're overwhelmed. But that's when your partner, your family, and your friends can step in and help out, because having a strong support system is really key, especially for first-time parents, because having those people around you who understand what you're going through or who are just there to listen, give advice, or even just a shoulder to lean on, you know, it makes all of the difference in the world. So don't be afraid to reach out and ask for help if you're feeling like this. It's not a sign of weakness. It doesn't make you a bad parent. You're human at the end of the day. You gotta remember that. And another thing is, when you first get to hold your baby for the first time, it's a feeling that's unlike anything else. The amount of love that you feel is like overwhelming, and it's something that's really hard to describe. It's like you look at this little person who depends on you for everything, and your heart just fills up with love. And then outside of the love, another feeling that you feel is a strong protectiveness. It's like the thought of anything or anyone ever hurting them drives you crazy. It's like you'll do anything in the world to keep them safe. These two feelings are two of the strongest emotions that you'll ever feel, and they'll shape the way that you approach fatherhood. They'll be the things that drive you to make decisions to give the best possible life to your kid. So embrace these feelings and let them be the thing that guides you on your journey as a dad. So I'll say all this to say, don't worry about being ready or if you're ready, right? Just enjoy the journey and trust in the love that you have for your kids, because that's going to be the thing that guides you every step of the way. And who knows, you might even surprise yourself with how great of a dad you become. So I hope this helped ease your anxiety about becoming a dad. And if you want to know what the first week of parenthood is like, click this video right here to learn all about that. I appreciate it if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.